Today we are gathered not only to run, no? Hindi lang ito yung pagtakbo natin, but to move forward together as one Spear family. Isa rin itong opportunity para mas lalo nating pataasin yung antas ng pagtingin natin sa disiplina sa sarili natin, pagpataas ng antas sa samahan natin sa bawat isa.
I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. A feeling.
Sa ating mga sundalo, ang puhunan natin yung ating pangangatawan, yung kalusugan, total physical and mental well-being.
That tonight's gonna be a good night. A feeling. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be.
Mahirap ang ginagawa natin at mas mahirap yung sa tingin natin o sa naiisip natin na hindi natin kaya, pero pag natapos natin yung takbo, sasabihin natin no amount pala. Diba? No, nagtitraining tayo, no amount pala. Kaya pa pala.
Let's spin it up, go out and smash it, like oh my god, jump out that sofa, let's kick it off.
I know that we'll have a ball if we get down and go out and just lose it all. I feel stressed out, I wanna let it go. Let's go way out, spaced out, and losing all control.
Fill up my cup, Mazel tov, look at her dancing, just take it off. Let's paint the town, we'll shut it down, let's burn the roof.
And then we'll do it again.
Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it, let's do it, and do it, and do it. Let's live it up and do it, and do it, and do it, do it, do it. Let's do it, let's do it, let's do it. Cause I got a feeling.
There are occasions na hindi natin nakakaya na makapag-exercise tayo. Kaya ano yung lagi kong sinasabi? Ang pagkakataon na binibigay sa atin ng Panginoon ay yung nagkakaroon tayo ng isang magandang araw, isang pagkakataon upang tayo ay makapag-ehersisyo.
Gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. I feel tonight's the night. Hey, let's live it up.
You are amazing!
I got my money. Hey, let's spin it up. Let's
In behalf po sa ibang mother, nagpapasalamat po kami ngayon sa activity ng 9ID dito sa Fun Run. Masaya po dahil kasama po namin ang mga asawa namin na isang sundalo. Kasama namin ngayon sa activity dito sa kampo. And yun po, kasama yung mga anak namin. Enjoy po, masaya.
paint the town. Paint the town. We'll shut it down. Shut it down. Let's burn the roof.
And then we'll do it again.
Masaya kami dahil nakita namin yung inyong mga pamilya at saka masasabi ko rin na narito yung pamilya ko bilang isang sundalo at kayo yon mga kasama.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Here we come. Here we go. We gotta rock. Easy come. Easy go. Now we on top. Feel the shot. Body rock. Rockin', don't stop. Round and round. Up and down. Around the clock. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Friday, Saturday, Saturday to Sunday. Get with us. You know what we say. Party every day. Party every day. And I'm feeling that tonight's gonna